Turtle power.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
This is Leonardo reporting to you live from the Lego apocalypse. The Legopolis.
This and the toy monster truck.
And that's the monster truck toy. Yeah. And these are my buddies here.
Guys.
This is Dog Pound. And this is some Night. These are the dudes, the zombies from Minecraft. What's his name, Jenna? This is Jack, or?
Yes,
He's from Minecraft too. I forgot his. Do you know his name?
But that guy is a zombie.
Zombie. I think his name is Jack. This is Sir Mix-a-Lot. Yo yo yo. What's up?
Yo. What's up, guys?
Sir Mix-a-Lot.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so welcome to our car show. And the first car we have here is a Matchbox roller called the Road Roller. Woo! We've got our own Lego version of the roller, the Road Roller. And look how close, look how similar they look. Pretty cool, huh? They both have the gray, they both have the gray roller. Right here, they're both black and white. It's got some curvy parts. This side has a stair. This one does. I only did one side. It's got wheels. Pretty cool, dude. The back, it's got a back thing here. Like this one has a back thing. And these are made out of Legos and similar Lego pieces. It's all mixed in here. It's kind of hard to build because I have to dig around for all the pieces and look for all the parts. It's so hard to find everything, huh? Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, well, and look what Jaden made. This is cool. What do you call this?
Sounds and bells.
A sounds and bells?
Yeah.
This looks like kind of like a lizard to me. This is cool. It's got a steering wheel back here. Awesome, huh?
I got this and that.
I'm gonna show heavy duty soon, but first we're gonna talk about the roller and let everyone have a good look at the roller. This one swivels because not because I wanted to, but because this is how I was able to get this to connect to this. I need to use a swivelly part. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed these rollers here. This is the baby roller, and this is the papa roller. Time to roll some zombies. Yeah, time to roll some zombie things. Okay, guys, and for the next vehicle, we'll have my brother Michelangelo introduce him. Sir Mix-a-Lot, give me a rhythmy beat kind of thing.
No, beep.
A bit bing. All right, Sir Mix-a-Lot time.
No.
Oh wait, let me go into the surprise box for my hat. Yeah, this is a good hat. Alright, are you guys ready for the next vehicles? Huh?
Yeah.
Well, Sir Mix-a-Lot's gonna bring you a vehicles. And here comes some Michelangelo's. Cowabunga, dudes! Cowabunga! Woohoo! Woohoo! Boom. And oops. Alright. Cowabunga, dude. Yo, what's up? This is Mikey here, and I brought a Hot Wheels vehicle This is called what is this called?
Off duty.
It's called Off Duty. This is an Off Duty Snap Rides, dude. And Snap Rides are Hot Wheels. You can like take them apart. The wheels come off. The engine just fell off here. I gotta put that back on somehow, like this. And then I gotta put the body back on. Destroying all the... Yeah, so this is Off Duty. And this is a Lego version we made of Off Duty. Alright. Let's take a good look. They're nearly identical. They both have a big chassis, the gray blocks, and they got 3 wheels, or was it 3 axles? Yeah. And they both have a cab here, and they both have engines.
Look at that.
I know, right? You know, we had an engine piece, and I couldn't find it, but this works too, huh? That looks pretty cool. Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
That's awesome. Let me give it an award. Where's the award? There's an award somewhere.
Where's the award? Where are you?
Oh, here it is. I'll give you this because it's the bomb. We'll put you right here. Yeah. Where's the roller? Let's put them together. Oh, wait, here it is. They got lost in the...
It's just a real award.
Oh, this is the real award. Wait. Uh-oh. They got destroyed in the Lego apocalypse.
Guys, he has
Actually, this is a reward. This is a trophy for the winner. Yeah. We have 2 awards. We have the trophy and we have the bomb. Okay. Now, let's see. We've got these 2 vehicles. This is the roller, and this is the Off Duty. Now, Jaden, which one is the best one?
I like Off Duty.
You like Off Duty? All right. Off Duty gets the trophy. Woo! That means the roller gets the bomb. Bing! The bomb is cool too. And Sir Mix-a-Lot gets a garbage can. Yeah, I like my reward. Oh, I fell down again. All right. I like my reward too. Everyone gets a reward. I keep falling down. All right, everyone. I'm the real Sir Mix-a-Lot. And I hope you enjoyed our vehicles today.
My vehicle.
Right. Hey, Jaden, it's time. It's time for the destruction. It's time for that one, the green truck over there. It's time to go destruction in here.
Time for the wet one.
Jaden, bring your green. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew pew. Boom. Come on. Look what I can do. You think your rocket scares me? I'm Sir Mix-a-Lot. I'm Sir Mix-a-Lot.
I'm a rebel.
You're the military bumbo. Well, I'm Sir Mix-a-Lot. Boom, 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 boom. Goodbye.